You step off the elevator and onto a balcony that overlooks a city pulsing with life. A city where the old world meets the new in a dazzling display of neon dreams and timeless secrets. Welcome to Macau, a place where every corner hides a story, and every rooftop bar whispers a legend. Tonight, you're about to dive into Macau's nightlife, exploring the safest havens for adult experiences, and uncovering the best rooftop bars that promise a mix of luxury, history, and an unforgettable sensory journey. Imagine the thrill as you stroll through the vibrant streets of Macau. The air is filled with a heady blend of spicy street food, sweet incense from local temples, and the unmistakable tang of salt from the nearby sea. Your footsteps echo on the cobblestone lanes near Sonato Square, where colonial architecture casts long shadows under the glow of vintage street lamps. Here, you're not just a tourist, you're an explorer, a modern-day adventurer stepping into a labyrinth of stories. In Macau, the past and present waltz together. You might find yourself pondering how centuries-old Portuguese influences blend with the dynamic energy of a bustling Asian metropolis. Every neon sign, every subtle whisper of music floating out of a hidden bar, hints at a past where fortunes were made and legends were born. As you take it all in, you feel the pulse of the city beneath your feet, urging you onward into the night. Venturing into the realm of adult experiences might sound daring, but in Macau, every step is carefully curated to ensure that your indulgence is as secure as it is thrilling. You are drawn to areas known not just for their vibrancy, but for their impeccable safety records. Places where discretion, professionalism, and world-class service reign supreme. Begin your journey in the Macau Peninsula, where tradition meets cutting-edge luxury. Here, the historic center around Sonato Square is a beacon of safety and charm. The narrow lanes and hidden courtyards of this area are watched over by modern security systems and the ever-present hum of a city that knows how to protect its secrets. You wander past ornate colonial facades, and as you do, a gentle reminder surfaces. This is a place where every whisper of the past is safely guarded. Your path leads you to one of Macau's upscale casinos, a realm of velvet drapes, polished marble, and discreet yet vigilant security. As you step inside, the soft murmur of conversation mingles with the gentle clink of glasses, and you're enveloped by an atmosphere that is both exhilarating and reassuring. Here, adult indulgence is a refined art, and you are in good hands. Then there's the Cotai Strip, Macau's answer to modern extravagance. This area is a playground for those seeking a night of indulgence, where world-class hotels, sprawling resorts, and high-end casinos line the boulevard. The Cotai Strip is designed with the modern reveler in mind. Luxurious, secure, and always a step ahead in ensuring that every experience is safe and sophisticated. Imagine stepping into a venue where ambient lighting sets a seductive tone, and every detail, from the plush seating to the impeccable service, has been engineered for your comfort and safety. As you meander through the corridor of glittering lights, you feel an air of exclusivity, knowing that this is a space where adult pleasures are celebrated with a refined sense of decorum and care. Now, prepare to elevate your night. Literally. You ascend to one of Macau's most coveted rooftop bars, a place where the cityscape unfolds beneath you like a treasure map, its secrets illuminated by a cascade of lights. Here, you're not just enjoying a drink, you're savoring an experience that transcends the ordinary. The door opens and you step onto a sleek terrace that seems to float above the city. A gentle, cool breeze brushes against your skin, carrying with it a hint of the ocean and the subtle aroma of exotic spices. Below, Macau shimmers, a sprawling mosaic of modern high-rises, historic landmarks, and neon constellations that mirror the stars above. As you settle into a plush, comfortable seat, you notice the meticulous attention to detail. Ambient lighting that casts soft glows on elegant furnishings, the rhythmic background of carefully curated music, and an unobstructed view that captures the heartbeat of Macau. Every sip of your signature cocktail is a revelation. Notes of citrus, a whisper of bitter herbs, and a smooth finish that leaves you both invigorated and at ease. But as you relish the sensory delight, a twist of intrigue catches your ear. A nearby patron, his eyes twinkling with a mischievous glint, leans in and whispers a rumor. He tells you of a secret room beneath the very bar you're sitting in, a hidden chamber that once served as a clandestine meeting spot for influential figures in Macau's tumultuous past. Supposedly, it was here that a famed gambler struck a deal with fate during the 1960s, forever altering the course of Macau's destiny. Although these tales aren't fully verified, the lore adds a delicious layer of mystery to your night. You smile at the thought. Macau isn't just a city of glitz and glamour. It's a repository of secrets waiting to be discovered by those who dare to look deeper. The idea that beneath the stylish modernity of a rooftop bar lies a hidden chapter of history excites you, making every clink of your glass resonate like a signal from the past. From your vantage point high above the busy streets, you watch as the city transforms. The vibrant Cotai Strip, with its flashing signs and bustling crowds, contrasts with the quiet, historic lanes of the Macau Peninsula visible in the distance. Each district holds its own allure and set of stories. Perhaps later in the evening, you'll decide to wander from one rooftop to another, each offering a different perspective. A thrilling blend of modern luxury and echoes of a storied past. As you explore further, you encounter a series of venues that cater to the discerning adult adventurer. Each location is chosen not only for its safety and high standards, but also for its ability to transport you into another realm. A realm where every sensation is amplified, every moment is savored, and every experience is crafted to perfection. You find yourself stepping into a sophisticated casino lounge, where the atmosphere is as refined as it is inviting. The soft clatter of dice, the rustle of luxurious fabrics, and the whispered conversations of high-stakes players blend into a symphony of nocturnal excitement. Here, safety is woven into the fabric of the establishment. Discreet security personnel patrol the perimeter, ensuring that your night remains uninterrupted by any unwanted surprises. In this space, you are free to indulge your senses, whether it's trying your luck at a table game or simply enjoying the company of like-minded revelers. The environment is designed for those who appreciate the thrill of the gamble without compromising on safety or comfort. It's a reminder that even in the midst of indulgence, there is always a space where caution and excitement walk hand in hand. Not far from the casino, you discover an exclusive adult club known for its intimate ambiance and refined character. The entrance is understated, almost hidden, giving it an air of secrecy that only heightens your anticipation. Inside, plush seating, soft ambient music, and subtle lighting create an environment where every sense is gently awakened. The club offers a curated experience where art, music, and conversation intertwine. Perhaps you find yourself in a quiet corner, engaged in an animated discussion with someone who seems to know the city's secrets as well as you do. The club is a sanctuary of sophistication, ensuring that even your most adventurous escapades are wrapped in an envelope of care and security. As the night deepens, so does the intrigue. While Macau is renowned for its glittering surface, it's the undercurrent of untold stories that gives the city its real magic. You soon encounter a series of plot twists that transform your evening into a multi-layered adventure. At one rooftop bar, let's call it the Celestial Lounge, the night takes a surprising turn. While you're admiring the panoramic view, a soft-spoken bartender with an enigmatic smile approaches you. He begins to share snippets of history that seem almost too surreal to be true. He recounts how decades ago this very spot was a silent witness to clandestine meetings between political dissidents and influential patrons, all under the guise of nightly revelries. According to the bartender, the lounge was once a hotspot for secret alliances, where fortunes were wagered not only on games of chance, but on the future of Macau itself. Although these stories aren't officially verified, the passion in his voice and the subtle hints in the decor, a faded portrait tucked away in a corner, a mysterious plaque etched into the bar's mahogany surface, invite you to believe that there's more than meets the eye. Then, as you savor the final sips of your exquisitely crafted cocktail, a local urban legend surfaces, a tale of the midnight gambler. Legend has it that on certain nights, a mysterious figure, draped in a long coat and hat, appears at various casinos and rooftops. Some say he's a relic of Macau's bygone era, a man who once defied destiny and walked away with fortunes that many only dream of. Others claim he's nothing more than a spectral reminder that, in Macau, every night is a game of chance, where fate itself may decide your destiny. You lean in a little closer, the night suddenly feeling thicker with possibility. The city's heartbeat seems to echo the rhythm of his legend, leaving you to wonder, could this elusive figure be real? Throughout your night, every moment is a sensory feast designed to engage and enchant you. The interplay of lights and shadows, the blend of modern beats with echoes of ancient ballads, and the delicate balance between indulgence and restraint create an experience that is both thrilling and profoundly comforting. Your eyes feast on a tapestry of vibrant hues, brilliant neon signs, the soft glow of lanterns, and the reflective surfaces of sleek modern architecture juxtaposed against historic, weathered facades. Every rooftop bar you visit offers a unique vista. One might reveal a sprawling vista of glittering casinos and modern hotels, while another might expose the quaint, winding alleys of old Macau that hold centuries of history in their stone walls. The city's soundscape is equally captivating. You're enveloped in a blend of ambient music, distant laughter, and the rhythmic pulse of engines as luxury cars glide by. In quieter moments, you can hear the gentle murmur of the ocean, and even the faint echoes of street performers recounting age-old tales. It's as if every sound is perfectly orchestrated to enhance your nocturnal adventure. With every breath, you inhale a mix of enticing aromas, a hint of sizzling street food, the subtle fragrance of exotic flowers from nearby gardens, and the unmistakable, invigorating smell of a well-mixed cocktail. These scents transport you deeper into the heart of Macau, each one a sensory cue that this city is as much about feeling as it is about seeing. And then there's the tactile sensation. The coolness of a gentle breeze on your skin as you stand at the edge of a rooftop bar, the comforting weight of a perfectly designed cocktail glass in your hand, and the smooth textures of luxurious interiors that invite you to sit back, relax, and let the city's energy wash over you. As the night edges toward its final act, you feel an undeniable sense of fulfillment. You've navigated through Macau's safest adult havens, experienced the seductive allure of its rooftop bars, and even uncovered layers of history that add depth to every moment. The thrill of adventure mingles with a profound appreciation for the care and security that define Macau's nightlife, a place where indulgence meets responsibility. Walking back through the illuminated streets, you find that the city has left an indelible mark on you. The neon glow fades into a soft dawn, but the memories remain vivid. Every taste, every sound, every whispered secret has woven itself into your personal tapestry of experiences. And as you prepare to leave this mesmerizing realm, you realize that Macau has offered you more than just a night out. It has given you a story to carry with you, a tale of mystery, indulgence, and safe, unforgettable adventures. Before you close your eyes and let the memories settle in, take a moment to reflect on the journey. Macau's nightlife isn't just about dazzling lights and lavish spaces. It's about the thrill of exploration, the joy of safe indulgence, and the magic that happens when history and modernity collide in a dance as timeless as the city itself. You are invited to return, again and again, to peel back another layer of Macau's enigma. Perhaps tomorrow you'll choose a different rooftop, or wander down a forgotten alley where another secret waits to be discovered. Each visit promises a new twist in the tale, a fresh plot twist in a story that is as unpredictable as it is captivating. As the camera slowly pans out over the sleeping city, the lights twinkle like distant memories, and you're left with one final thought. In Macau, every night is a chapter of a never-ending adventure. a story written in the language of experience, intrigue, and safe indulgence. Thank you for joining this immersive journey into Macau's nightlife. Remember, you're not just watching a story unfold, you're living it. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and let the secrets of the night guide you to your next unforgettable adventure. Imagine the next chapter, where another city reveals its hidden gems and whispered legends. Until then, keep your senses sharp and your heart open. The night is full of stories, and you are the storyteller.